Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create AI avatars on CapCut PC. So you can either go up here or down here. So select AI avatars. You do need Pro for this, so I can only show you a little bit. In this option, choose the avatar that you want. For instance, you want them to talk or something. There's a bunch of options that you can do. Sorry, she's talking. I say she as if that's the real person, that's AI, but okay, let's select, for instance, this cartoon one. Select next, and then enter the script of what you want the avatar to say. I'm going to be like, hey guys, and welcome back. Today we will be learning about yada yada yada. So then you're going to select the voice. Okay, here's what it sounds like, by the way. Let's do Daniel.
Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we will be learning about.
Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we will be learning about.
Then you're just going to select generate. Obviously I can, and the avatar will move their lips. The lips will move on the avatar using AI. That is it, basically. Just press generate here. Unfortunately I can't because I need credits and I don't have any. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.